Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm kind of willing to help you get rid of the beat block or the sample block we go through as producers by using the new Loopcloud features they added. I'm gonna go through the features quickly and show you how you can use them. Yeah, with that being said, let's hop in it. So yeah, first thing first, just open up Loopcloud. Make sure to connect it with your JW by clicking right here. Yeah, and let's look up some samples. I chose like genres and future R&B. I found this sample is some piano with some decent chords. The first feature they added, and it's crazy how it can like find you some sounds or loops harmonically and sonically matches with the sample you chose by just clicking on the match and then find harmonic matches. Just click it and Loopcloud will show you the samples that's in key and let's say harmonically with your sample. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, with that you can quickly just build up a sample that might inspire you to create something crazy. I found this sample right here. It's kind of like a pad. Yeah, the next thing is how you can find the perfect percussion loops for your samples. Basically, they have a feature that's called a find rhythmic matches. You can literally just search drum, select loops. Yeah, especially like this loop, just find rhythmic matches and it will find to this one. Yeah. After these features, they have this crazy one and it's just the tone right here. So basically you can just tap in what you like or tag it or search it and you can choose the frequency, the length, the stereo width, the BPM, the swing, rhythmic, and attack and decay. Let's say for example, I need some vocals because it's kind of like in the mid, it's kind of like empty. I'm gonna use this one and just type in acapella. I'm gonna put it to minor, and in the frequencies I'm gonna just make it in the high mid, and you will get a lot of vocal samples, a cappella, and they are just crazy to use. So yeah, with this feature I managed to find this a cappella right here that sits perfectly with the sample we create. And I'm gonna add some filters to it. They added some amazing EQs and compressors. Let me add some tight and present compressor, some reverb, a little bit, not too much. I want it to be like dry as possible to make it in the back. EQs are amazing, just low cut. Yeah, right now I need some bass. Yeah, I found this one shot bass and it's crazy. And the next feature they added is you can just click on the one shot you just chose and you can click find similar sounds, and that will allow Loopcloud to search up all the similar sounds to the one you chose, so you can perfectly choose the one that matches what you have in your mind. So yeah, that's a crazy feature to add, to be honest. Yeah, with the sample I'm gonna just go and export everything, purchase all of them. They added this amazing feature also for export the whole sample. Use the custom folder or use the process separate files, export on location, new folder. Let's call this one. Yeah, you can use this export feature or you can just click and drag to FL and they will be right here. And now let's do some crazy work. Yeah, first thing first, I'm gonna do the bass, lay up a kind of like smooth bass line. The bass needs some work. I'm gonna add some EQ first. And I'm gonna add some OTT. And let me just take the mids. I need a lot of like sub bass, not a bass. Yeah, that's better. Bro, aim. Jesus Christ. Let me just lay a bass line. Let me hear it first. I think it's an F, right? Let me check. Oh. Yeah, that's it. That might sound trash, but let's see. I might just spice up these. Yeah, that's the bass line. I might change it later. It's just like a basic bass line. There's a click in the start of the bass. You can come declick in all regions or do it manually, because I hate this clicks at the beginning. Just come here and phase it out a little bit more, so it can be on 0, and click it. I think, yeah, the click in the piano. Yeah, right here. Make it 0 and drag it. Yeah, thankfully. It just irritates my ear to hear just it at the start of the melody. Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, so after the bass, I just did it by myself, to be honest. I was playing, so I couldn't like explain while doing it. But yeah, basically what I did with this melody, I'm gonna break it down for you. It's the same. We took it from Loopcloud. I just added to it yeah, just shaper box with this preset. It's just like a pad, volume shaper, and a panning effect, just to go from left to right. And right here, I just automated the pitch to 12 semitones and added some glide effect with the hook. Yeah, just like this. Do the same at the end. Here's the vocals. I just took some like shots from the vocals and turned it, because the vocal was not like catchy, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I took some shots, and I added this chords, just an organ chord, and this melody I added right here. Not too much actually. Yeah, just with the bass and the piano right here. I took it an octave down with the chorus of the sample. Added the sample rate to it, about like 1,500. Yeah, the whole sample just sounds like this right now. It's not full. I'm trying to add it to it stuff, but yeah, right now it sounds like this. It's the same piano we got. Just added the vocal. Just added some reverb, some mixing. Yeah, that's it for now. Let's see, I'm gonna try to flip it. Like right now, I'm kind of like satisfied with how it sounds. But yeah, you know, at the end when you just fuck everything up and like magic happens. Let's try to reverse it first. Let me take it 2 up. Jesus, that's hard. Holy. You don't even need drums, bruh. Yeah, man, some drums. Oh, the perky. Yeah. Take it back. Take it 2 more, because the 808 is truly low. I took the bass from the sample, so it's kind of lit right now. Oh yeah, that's it actually. Yeah, so this is for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, thanks for Loopcloud for sponsoring this video again. And shit is amazing and got a lot of loops. You can just easily kill beat block or sample block with this. And yeah, best of luck to you all and peace.